Councilmember Chris Seelbach tells me Cincinnati police have increased their presence in areas where people might gather in groups. And he says people who are not following those public health orders will come to regret it over the next few weeks.
Yeah, so we're at the tip of the iceberg. The worst is yet to come.
This video, posted publicly to Facebook, shows a large group of people gathered Friday night in Over-the-Rhine. Dozens of people are seen in the large group along sidewalks, porches, and even spilling into the street. This is in defiance of Governor DeWine's stay-at-home order that restricts people being outside except for essential activities.
And we have to do everything in our capability to prevent the spread of this disease.
Lisa Sloan founded More Inclusive Healthcare in Cincinnati. She lives near OTR and says the public health messaging to minority populations in the city is not getting through effectively.
I don't know what effort has been made to reach those communities, but it's not working. And you don't have to be a rocket scientist to know that.
Sloan says the African American community already faces disparities in terms of healthcare under normal circumstances, and the pandemic is shining an even brighter light on those now. A national report from ProPublica looks at data across the country that indicates African Americans are being infected and dying of COVID-19 at higher rates. Sloan says messaging has to be tailored to minority communities and come from trusted community leaders to get the seriousness of the pandemic to resonate.
Sharing information about coronavirus and helping people understand in their terms why it's important for them to practice social distancing.
These are happening throughout all of our city, not just in Over-the-Rhine and not just in the African American community. And so every report of people who are holding parties or congregating with people, more than 10 people, we're taking serious, and our police are taking serious. And so we're working very hard to break those things up.
Sloan says it is so important for public health officials to break down coronavirus numbers by race and ethnicity to give everyone a better idea of how the virus is impacting different people in our community. We will be following up with public health officials on Monday to see if that data is being tracked and what it indicates for us here. Reporting at Cincinnati Police Headquarters, Josh Bazan, WCPO 9 News.